Here we are at Coltishall Lane level crossing in Norfolk. It's just a tour. We got trespass sign, the caution sign, level crossing information sign, yodel alarm, LED, keep crossing clear, SPX, cage, 2.25 weights, barrier XPX, me on the 22 of the 14th of March 2022. CCTV in operation. Reb, Coltishall Lane, AHBC. We got HF boards. I don't know which one is it, but unknown company. Wooden trespass guides. Trespass sign, level crossing information, caution sign, telephone sign. LED, keep crossing clear. There is a name thing. Coltishall Lane level crossing. LAR. WHC1 10 miles 30 chains. OS grid reference. TG 299-210. This memo will call to Charles Swingbridge signal box. If faulty or no prior to if faulty or no reply, contact network on that number. Go keep level crossing information, trespass sign, caution sign, LED, keep crossing clear, yodel alarm, a little bit old. We got doing the quarter weight again, but this one was made the exact same date, but in May. Yeah, May. CCTV in operation. What else? Rose sale boards. Several? Huh? Yeah. Another company. Would keep trespass guides. Keep crossing clear. Telephone sign. Level crossing information LED. Wanted to trespass sign. Caution sign. Let's look after the telephone. Save myself aside. Newly part row local control unit, and they can't tell which one logo is it, but definitely knows of. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a sign there. Hang on, I'll go to that other side where there's a sign as well. There's a sign down there somewhere. Ah, right there. You just can't really see it. A gate. A really weird thing. Power box. And that leads to Sheringham, and this leads to Norwich, via by Hofton Roxham South House, and this is via by Worcester, North Walsham, Gunton, Cromer, and Sheringham. That's it.